nice. Okay, let's go. Hey there, dirt bike enthusiasts. We are going training today. My friends are already there, so I'm going to catch up with them and we will go around our track. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to go around our track for a warm-up lap. Damn, it's slippery today. This is a slippery spot. Oh, very wet, very muddy. Woo! Some rocks. And now some logs. Tires. And one more log. 2 logs. Woo. I'm already sweating. As you can probably see, I am not really good in the sand section now. It's gonna be awful. Oh. Oh, I suck. I suck so bad. The sand is so heavy. Too much brake. Thank God it's the end of the lap. Oh God, I got so tired. Now it's time when we are training some maneuvers. wheelies, log jumps, pivots, whatever.
Visi va dabar vienkės. Aš pradėjau matyti, kad aš rastą jau kartais taip darbas. Duoda tą.
Duoda. Tikrai padeda. Čia šiaip visai yra gera vieta pivotam.
Here I decided to test my drone and see if it will follow us. I have to say that I have tested this drone before, and let me tell you, I wasn't too impressed, but decided to give it another go. If you are interested, I am using DJI Mini 4 Pro, and I am using it in active track mode with manual selection of which position it should follow. As you can see, it didn't do very well for the first time. Try for a second time. This time I think I selected the drone to be a bit more far away from me, or at least try to be a bit more far away. Now, next time I am thinking that I should try to let drone decide automatically in which position he tries to follow. Because when I select manually, he tries too hard to keep in that same correct position, and that might be an issue when I'm changing the directions too fast for it. As you can see, this time the drone follows much better, but I think it's more of an accident than an actual good result. Here it's coming really close to the tree. I'd say too close for comfort. Here you can see that it notices one tree and tries to fly around it, while I lose control and slip a bit. But on the next tree it just comes in way too close. I think that while trees are without leaves, they are not big enough of an obstacle for drone cameras, obstacle avoiding drone cameras to notice and anticipate avoiding. Here's the third try, and well, as you can see, it loses me again. Yep. So in conclusion, I am not too impressed with the results. If you are expecting good results with drone following you on your dirt bike, well, I guess you need to try another drone, not this one.
Okay, let's train some more wheelies. and log hopping. The problem is that I don't have any clue how to drive when on one wheel. I'm just going where it takes me, not where I want to go. So yeah. Also, I don't like the clutch handle because when I'm pushing it with one finger, it always bumps into my knuckle. So, I don't know, it's annoying. Let's see a slow wheelie with second gear. Pretty okay. Nice! Okay, high front wheel. Too high! Okay, let's work on unstuck technique by the man himself, Rich Larson. Holding the plate with the clutch, moving forward, but really shitty work with the clutch. No pop, no power collection, as Rich likes to call it. No second blip. Let's try better. Not enough to jump forward. Nice. This one was nice. Better, but still not happy with the clutch work. Nice. Okay, let's go. I know it's not gonna look fast, but for me it feels like I'm fucking hauling.